to today. I woke up at like 5:30 in the morning and I was like sneezing. I really didn't feel good and I was like, oh great. And I was up for a while, so now I'm tired. So that's cool. But at least I have a short day at work, so not a short day, but regular shift. I think I feel a little better now that I'm up. Not that I don't know, I think I'm hungry, but it's weird because I ate plenty yesterday. Like I woke up in the middle of the night and it was just not any fun at all. I don't know, but Kayla brought my garbage can over yesterday, so now I have a garbage can. And I think I'm going back tonight to my parents to get stuff. Jack!
Steph?
Yeah?
Well, here, you can bring these. These are your scissors. You want to bring...
Ooh, yeah, we need scissors. I've had those blue ones since first grade.
Really?
Yeah,
Green
those
ones?
are from first grade.
Oh, they must be good ones then. What about this?
Jack!
What about...
Jack! Hello? I can see you. Why? Lose your balance. Lose your balance.
You don't want this cat thing?
No.
Did he jump up there?
Yeah, and then he started to wobble.
Here's our new picture from Steffi's work.
I am going to color and watch Netflix for a bit. I don't know what picture I want to do or what I want to watch. I think maybe I know what one I want to do. Yep, and there's like color pictures too for inspiration, it says. But I think I know. This is how far I got in an hour.
I didn't know it was a big secret.
Good, I got colors. That's that. Got my lava lamp on. This is a really short vlog, but I've been busy today all day. But this is how far I got now. Yep. Close up. Colors. Yep, and that's all I'm gonna do for tonight because my hand is sore and I'm going to bed.
If you like anything in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see what she does tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Come on. Vlog with me. 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 Come on.